The rise of visual journaling, a hobby for the mindful age. In a world where digital content dominates and distractions are endless, a growing number of people in 2025 are turning to visual journaling as a way to slow down, reconnect with themselves, and express creativity without pressure. Visual journaling is more than a simple diary or sketchbook. It's a hybrid form of artistic and reflective expression that combines drawing, handwriting, stickers, photos, magazine clippings, washi tape, and digital printables to record thoughts, feelings, and moments in a visually appealing way. It's customizable, forgiving, and doesn't require advanced artistic skills, making it the perfect hobby for both introverts seeking self-discovery and creatives looking for a daily practice. One of the key attractions of visual journaling is its flexibility. Some people create mood-based pages filled with color palettes that reflect how they're feeling. Others use their journals for planning, goal tracking, or gratitude logging. The most compelling visual journals are often deeply personal, blending sketches of everyday objects, quotes from favorite books, photos from walks or events, and even scraps of receipts or ticket stubs. This tactile element gives people a stronger connection to their memories. And unlike social media, visual journaling doesn't require perfection or approval. It's for your eyes first. The process becomes a ritual, an analog pause in a digital day. Technology still plays a supporting role. Digital tools like iPads, tablets, and styluses have opened the door to digital visual journaling apps that offer infinite layouts, brushes, and multimedia options. For those who prefer paper, printable templates and prompts are widely available online. Communities have formed on platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube, where hobbyists share their weekly or monthly spreads, giving each other inspiration and encouragement. This mix of analog and digital has made the hobby more accessible than ever. In 2025, the term hybrid journaler is commonly used to describe people who move between paper and screen, depending on mood or convenience. What makes visual journaling enduring and podcast-friendly is its quiet universality. You don't need to shoot footage to explain the joy of arranging ephemera or selecting your favorite gel pens. You can describe the feeling of flipping through a thick, crinkled page where ink has bled and a scent from a pressed flower still lingers. You can talk about the therapeutic rhythm of writing in cursive, even if no one else can read it. You can share prompts like draw your day as a map or capture your mood in 3 colors that encourage listeners to grab a notebook and start. Listeners can easily imagine each step, and your podcast can guide them through creating a page live. Combined with downloadable PDFs or shareable images, your episodes can live on both visually and audibly, turning your channel into a hub for mindful creativity.